This is a review of the GKU D600 dash cam that I'm going to be doing a review. And in this review, we're going to unbox this, show you guys what you get in this package. And from there, show you guys whether or not if this dash cam is also worth it and show you guys the quality of this dash cam. So yeah, let's unbox this and show you guys what you get inside this package. Okay, so this is everything that comes inside this package. You can see here we get the instruction manual guide for the dash cam. We get the card as well too. If you need any help, chat support, you have their email and every information right there. You have this thing. So this thing, what you use this for during the install, you use, pretty much for the interior of the car, that you use this and pretty much to hide the wires and pretty much maneuver it and then hide everything like that. This right here itself is a dash cam. I do want to say that the quality is really amazing. It's super high quality. It comes with the adhesive tape on the bottom right here too. It comes with the lens protector right there, you see, and it looks very, easy to install, user friendly, and also it looks very simple as well too. So that's something that's important. Like some dash cams are really hard to install. This one, on the other hand, it looks fairly easy and simple. Right here, we get the rear backup camera, and the rear backup camera has the adhesive on the bottom right here too, and right here's the camera itself right here too, and it's super high quality. It feels very nice. It comes with the wire attached to pretty much attached to right over here, and this thing right here is used for pretty much if there's any like adjustments you have to do with your dash cam, you have it right over here. So you see this slot right here, you use that to pretty much tighten it or loosen it. It's, however you want to set it up. You could also adjust it. So that's one cool thing that it comes with this thing as well too. And right over here, we get extra 3M tape. If you mess up, you could, it comes with plenty of them. It comes with one right over here. And then also this is to pretty much, if you want, this is optional. You could protect your window of your windshield of your car when you install this. Then you pretty much use this to pretty much, so that way you don't scratch your windshield. So I do love the fact that it comes with these protective stuff just in case. If you are careful about your windshield of your car and you don't want to scratch it, comes with these things right here too. But other than that, the quality itself is super amazing. I love the quality. It feels super lightweight and it feels, very good. And it feels like how a dash cam should be like. And I would definitely recommend this dash cam if you're looking for a dash cam to pretty much protect the, if you by any chance get in a car collision or a car wreck, then this one I believe is definitely high quality. And not just that, this dash cam is 4K, so 4K for the front. And then for the rear, it's 1080p. So that is also very high quality image resolution that you're getting. And I would definitely recommend this GKU D600 dash cam if you're looking for a dash cam that you want to protect yourself from any car collisions. Then this one is by far one of the best dash cams to get, since the quality is really amazing, user friendly, and also it comes with all the stuff and it looks really simple and easy to install. Then yeah, I would definitely recommend this dash cam. If you're wanting a new dash cam, then this one is probably one of the best ones that you could get.